Hi everyone, welcome to Tablescape Tuesdays. Now in today's video, we have a special and it's the Father's Day Bash. This is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We do have some beautiful hosts, including you. Eventful Living with Kay, All Things Home on a Budget, and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Now, I have already set this table, but all it needs is a napkin fold. So wait till you see how this turns out. Now, I think this is a perfect fold for a father, a grandfather, a male figure, whatever that might be, is going to love this napkin fold. Now it's in the shape of a shirt, and then we're going to go ahead and place a little leaf right there, and this is done. Gorgeous. All right, so this is what the tablescape is looking like with the napkin folds. I think this is perfect for Father's Day. Now let's take a look at the centerpiece. Now, as you can see there, I have a green boxwood ball over to the left. We also have the two pillar candles, which I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and the candle holders did come from the Goodwill. This beautiful lantern I had DIY'd, and it looks fabulous. I am loving those sunflowers. That is our centerpiece for our Father's Day bash. Now we're going to come on over here to the place setting. Is this not beautiful? That is the perfect napkin fold for this setting. I decided to go with a beige and navy blue setting, which I also think is perfect for Father's Day. Now, I decided also to place this sunflower plate right here over to the left. That was thrifted. Then we have the flatware, which came from Home Goods. Here is the napkin fold. I'm loving that. Now, this wine glass here came from Walmart. I'm loving this. It also came in colors. Now, here's the water glass, which came from the Goodwill. Now moving back over here to where the boxwood ball is. This was a thrifted item, guys. I only got this for pennies. All right, now this little votive holder and the votive came from Dollar Tree. And let's take a closer look at that lantern. This was done during my lantern collaboration, I believe. All right, so here we are. This really was not a hard fold to do, even though it looks that way. I really enjoyed playing with these napkin folds. Now, the dinnerware did come from Walmart, and I love this navy blue color. I just love this whole set came from the Dollar Tree. Including that charger. Wonderful. I think this is perfect for Father's Day, as I said before. And then we have the placemat here. Now this I got from Hobby Lobby. All right, now we're going to start layering this back. Okay, top it off with that napkin again. I can't get enough of that napkin. And this is a budget-friendly tablescape, whether the setting is 1, 2, 4, 6, and you know, the list can go on. If you're celebrating your male father figure, father, grandfather, and so on, this is a perfect place setting for that special person. Now here we are at the reveal. I really hope that you enjoyed the tablescape and the napkin fold. Make sure and hit the like, leave a nice comment, guys, a beautiful comment, and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.